The double delta loop is almost impossible to bend in an 019 by 025 stainless steel arch wire and is not available pre-formed. This loop can be bent in 017 by 025 stainless steel or 016 by 022 blue alloy wire, and thus is usually applied to an 018 slot bracket. The loop generates light forces, 100 to 150 grams per 1 millimeter of activation, depending on the wire size used. On this case, which started as a Class II Division II adult case with a full Class II molar, upper first bicuspids were extracted. To retract the cuspids, double delta loops will be made in sectional wires. The brackets are style brackets with an 018 slot size. First, a sectional wire is made for the 4 incisor teeth from 017 by 025 stainless steel wire. The anterior sectional wire will serve the purpose of retaining the anterior tooth alignment. O 7 by 025 blue alloy wire will be used to make the double delta loops for the buccal sections. Blue alloy wire is soft and can be easily formed into complicated loop designs. We will not heat treat the wire to add temper, but use it in its unheated treated state to deliver less force per unit activation. The double delta loop is formed with a tweed loop forming plier. The first bend is made 90 degrees to the occlusal plane around the square end of the tweed beaks. After estimating a 6 to 7 millimeter vertical leg by doubling the width of the tweed plier beaks, the 45-degree bend is made using both ends of the plier. The horizontal portion of the loop is made 1 to 2 millimeters from the occlusal plane to avoid bracket interference. After making the angular bend back to the vertical leg, the challenge is to make the two deltas symmetrical with the vertical legs on the same side of the deltas. The mesial portion of the wire is ended with a helix to prevent tissue impingement and allow for the activation at the mesial as well as at the distal end. A gable bend is placed with a light wire plier to prevent tipping. An anti-rotation bend is added to prevent cuspid rotation. Now let's make the same loop on the other side. The horizontal portion of the wire must not have any steps as the wire exits the loop.